back. Well, we're continuing to put the spotlight on individual stocks, and one more on the radar today is Delta Corp. Now, the stock's been trading lower by about 2.5%. It came out with a weak set of numbers for the third quarter. We also caught up with the management to understand just how the impact of this 28% GST on casinos is playing out. Mangalam is joining in for more color on this. Mangalam.
Well, as far as the numbers are concerned, they've been very muted. In fact, seasonally, the third quarter is the strongest quarter for companies like Delta Corp. In that itself, the revenues of the company declined by about 15-odd%. EBITDA was down by around 45%. And because of high operating leverage, we had the net profit down almost 60%. The weakness was led from their largest segment, which was the casino segment, saw an 18% decline in revenues, and that culminated into a 50% plus decline in the operational profit itself. And then there was weakness that we saw in the online gaming as well as the hospitality business, which is a supplementary to their casino business itself. Though we spoke to the management and they explained that this 28% GST ruling that had come by had impacted their business in the third quarter. And not just that, the delay in Diwali also meant that the window for them was a lot lower, as a result of which 55% of the company's revenue in the third quarter came from the month of December. Coming into the fourth quarter, the thing is that one of their ships is going into dry dock. So, even as the things have settled, it may take some time to recover. And as a result of which, the fourth quarter will be very similar to the third quarter itself. They aren't seeing recovery until the third quarter of FY25. For the GST issue itself, there are 23 to 24,000 crore worth show cause notices pending. The big regulatory hurdle will be what happens to that. And to that, the next hearing is a month later. So that's something we'll be watching out for. And they did speak about perhaps a bit of a pivot to the real estate space as well, once, because of lack of opportunities that they see in growing the casino business in India. So those are a bunch of things that the street is keeping an eye out on.
Okay, thank you very much for that.